just out of this trade here. So this is a nice 16-hour trade. So why take this trade, right? And how did I put it together? Well, if you look here, we're in this TD on the 5 minute, and if you look at it, price hasn't really responded. It did a little thing here, but then goes into it. It's not really responded off this TD box. So you would expect it to, sometimes price will just contract inside a TD and then go higher, but you do expect a response, right? So that's why here, I mean, this red line's a little made up to capture the top, but it's the top of the TD. So when price is at the top of the TD, we can follow it on the 5 second here. And what I saw here was expanding pivots, right? This is like, there's different ways of counting them, right? But you got a high there and then a low here, and you got higher, higher, lower, low, higher, high, lower, low. Now, on something like this, usually after a P5, now, let me explain this, because sometimes you can count this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, other people that count this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you can count this as 0, which means this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is how I counted it. It doesn't really matter how you count the blooming thing, just the fact that you've got expanding pivots, and any time price is after P5, it'll often return to balance, what we call balance, which is the middle of this, right? This is, it'll often come back to balance. But because we can map and do do what we do, right? You can put a fork on here to say this is probably the probable path of price now that it's going down. We've got the TD expectation that we could get a response off TD. You've got a red line going into a TD on the 5 second, and obviously the median line, and then you just wait for your swap. There's your swap. You get a bit of a red bar with a wick on it. Just get short there and pull the stop into the high to your risk value. And what I did, I was thinking of my original target was down here. I thought, could easily come down here, right? A reasonable expectation from a TD in the 5 minute for it to come down a little bit more. I'm not even asking it for to break the TD box, right? Just down there, it sounds reasonable. But I figured that's a red line with P1 pulled from a gap, and it's also inside an 886. So if I target the extreme of the 886, I get 16R, right? So fine, I'll take it. Anyway, I hope, this is the sort of I guess kind of aspect of piecing together a plan, being patient for price to come into your area, all of that stuff, very nice. And even from a mountain perspective, if this is a base of a mountain here, we could say this is a base of a mountain. Price came back and filled this mountain. Price came back and filled this mountain, right? It's a logical area if you can get decent R to it to exit.